Our mission today is simple but powerful. We make machines to make people's lives better. That commitment to purposeful innovation has guided us for 125 years. Its roots go back to 1900, when Alfred Willard French Sr., a graduate of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, founded the French oil mill machinery company in Piqua, Ohio. At the time, the city was a hub for flax and linseed oil. Mr. Alfred French applied his engineering skill to design improved oil mill machinery that made production more efficient and reliable. His early patents reflected a practical focus on solving problems with lasting solutions, a tradition that continues to shape our work today. Alfred's early inventions, like the revolving cake trimmer, the automatic hydraulic cake packer, and the two-stage change valve, set new standards for efficiency and reliability. These innovations reshaped oilseed processing and quickly put French on the map, with equipment exported worldwide as early as 1908. Our leadership has always defined our resilience. When Alfred passed in 1925, his wife, Grace Albers French, became president, a groundbreaking role for women in industry. Together with General Manager Charles Upton, she steered the company through critical years of expansion. Later, Alfred W. French Jr. advanced our capabilities in hydraulic presses, followed by Daniel Phelps French, who led as president and CEO for more than 3 decades, strengthening our global presence. Today, under the leadership of Tate French Lutz, our 4th-generation CEO and chairman of the board, the company continues its family legacy, 125 years of stewardship rooted in innovation and progress. Over the decades, our innovations have expanded far beyond oilseed processing. In the 1930s, we introduced mechanical screw presses. In the 1960s, we pioneered synthetic rubber dewatering systems. Today, our custom-engineered hydraulic presses, oilseed, and polymer processing systems serve industries as diverse as aerospace, automotive, food, medical, defense, energy, sporting goods, composite, industrial goods, lamination, and electronics. Our machines help create everyday essentials, from cooking oils to medical devices, as well as critical components for aircraft, fuel cells, and printed circuit boards. Across more than 80 countries, manufacturers rely on French equipment for its durability, precision, and longevity, with many machines operating reliably for 50 years or more. Behind every machine are people. Generations of dedicated employees have built our reputation for craftsmanship, innovation, and service. Their pride in their work and commitment to quality remain the backbone of French. Our culture of giving back, including decades of United Way support, reflects our role not only as a manufacturer, but as a community partner. This year, we celebrate 125 years of innovation, leadership, and global impact. We honor the vision of Alfred Willard French Sr., the strength of those who have led, and the dedication of the people who continue to carry our mission forward. Grounded in experience, inspired by challenge, prepared for what's next. For 125 years, French Oil Mill Machinery Company has been making machines to make people's lives better. With our eyes on the future, we will continue advancing what's possible for our customers, our industry, and the world.